Hey everyone, I am doing a quick vlog. We have a new addition to the Bakato household. So today is Friday. I had my workout with my homegirl Angelica, and then me and Yonsi did our regular Costco run that usually is done on Wednesday today. So yesterday the kids had an art show at school, and so one of the parents came up to me. It's like, hey, do you guys, do your kids like silkworms? You think you're interested in them? I'm like, oh yeah, sure, why not? Well, the thing was, I wasn't really paying attention totally to the conversation because sometimes I'm in my own space. Like, I'm not even really fully engaged, especially if Yonsi's there. Like, I'm thinking about, is he gonna run? Is he gonna break something? You know, the kids all made these things. Anyways, so I agreed to the silkworms. Now, there is a little bit of history with the silkworms. My first experience with silkworm, it was preschool. My son went to Mountain View Parent Co-op, which I would highly recommend if you're in the Bay Area. It's such a great program. But I will put the link below for the school because I just think it was such a great school, such a good environment for introducing your kids into the school area, and you're still kind of hands-on but not so hands-on, and then the price for parent co-ops are great. So there were stations. It was kind of like the Montessori style of teaching where they had these stations and you didn't really force them. There wasn't any timer. There are always like 5 stations, and then the parents volunteering for that day, basically she would say, oh, you're gonna draw, you're gonna work on numbers, they're gonna work on writing their names. And they were doing the science thing with these silkworms. So I was like, I went over and I kind of looked at them. These things are gross. Lo and behold, right when it's time to separate the parents into the stations, she turns to me and says, oh, Caroline, you're going to be working with Anne at the silkworm station. And they had these magnifying glasses, and you know, they're trying to get the kids to learn about observing things, and they were going to draw pictures. You know, they can't write at that time. I sat down and I watched, you know, the first kid puts the magnifying glass on there, and OMG, these things are gigantic. I got these horns on the side. They're like eating. And I walked up to Teacher Maria, who is the teacher, my son's teacher, which I love, and she's retiring this year. And I come up to her and I'm like, hi, Teacher Marie. I'm not really comfortable with the silkworms. Do you think you can move me? And she looks at me, just a smile. And she says, welcome to preschool, and walks away. Oh my gosh, she went OG on me. I was like, ah! Show you a close-up of the silkworms, but that just tripped me out. She did that to me. I was like, this is a paid program? Because then today I started thinking about those little critters. And so after school, I called Long Feast and I was like, hey, call me if blah 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 parent brings, oh, look at your snotty nose, brings the silkworms. And so he calls me, he's like, yeah, she has them in a shoebox. So I get off the phone with him and I call my homeschool mom and was like, hey, do you guys think you want to have some silkworms, because I want to give them to you for your science, maybe your science, you know, part of your lessons. And she's excited because I'm going to see her Sunday, and she's like, yeah, sure, bring them. Well, I mentioned it to my kids and they're like mortified, like, Mom, how are you going to give away? We just got them. Why are you giving away our stuff? They're gifted to us, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, well, someone was sharing with us. And so we need to learn to share with others, kids. So I'm giving 2 of them away. The parent was so sweet. She was nice enough to go ahead and give me the mulberry leaves. But anyways, I had to vlog that because I just think this is hilarious. I'm going to do a close-up. Yoni is trying to water the mulberry leaves. These are the mulberry leaves that she gifted us. Thanks, Yoni. So she put them in a nice cup so that they're nice and fresh for them. Let's do a close-up on the actual worms. So here are the silkworms.
Hello, silkworm.
Okay, watch out a second.
So soft, Mom.
Solid, that's a lot of poop in there that you need to take care of.
I know.
I'm seeing a lot of black little poop everywhere.
Yep.
And put the leaves there, Sala. You have to let them eat. They have been eating a lot, actually. These things eat a lot. So, Langfisi, what were you telling me what we need to do?
if you want to.
Sola, have you washed your hands?
Yeah.
There are a lot of rules on how to care for them. So if you don't know their leaf, they are pickable. So if you want to pick them up, first thing you want to do.
What's the word you just used?
Huh?
What did you call it?
They're berry
Pickable?
leaves.
Pickable. How do you spell that?
I have no idea. I just made that up. I don't know. I think pickable is how you pick berries or something. You first want to wash your hands.
No, I
Then
wash my hands.
see if they want to get up. If they don't want to get up, then
Don't force them to.
That will
Don't
be-
force
They might die. Don't touch it.
One thing you want to do is only touch their body area. If you see this thing, don't touch that. That's like a tail.
Okay.
And don't touch their head. That would be bad.
Okay.
Because you don't want people to go like, ew, hi, Sala.
Stop.
Right. Yonsei, you want to touch? Look at the hand.
No,
Look at the
Mommy, no.
silkworms.
He hasn't washed his hand.
Okay.
Mine. Organize them.
You organize what?
I organized the caterpillars so they all have their own little privacy rooms.
Oh, you organize them?
This one likes to leave a lot, and he didn't really like his room.
Oh, okay. Where's the third one?
The third one,
Fourth one?
right here.
1, 2.
This is the first one, second one, the third one, and fourth one.
Oh, so you organize them. Good job.
So they don't see each other's privacy.
Wait before you eat.
Don't touch them yet. That's the baby one. That's the baby one. That's the fat
You
one.
guys got that from
Is he trying to come out the box, Sala?
I guess.
Oh, you better put him down.
But
Before
I
you
can't
get out
right
the
now, not right now. Daddy, wash your hands and put him down.
no.
I gotta wash my hands.
No, don't wash your
Wash
hands.
him. Yeah.
Yeah, honey, because you can make it sick. Trying to escape. Maybe you don't like our house.
It's the smallest one.
I know.
The smallest one's made
After
of.
that, no, I need you to eat.
They're good to touch.
Look.
No. But do it only on the back. That's why it's bad. No, you can't do it by the face. You
No,
just
I'm
have to
trying
do it
touch
on the back.
paper.
Mm.
Yeah, buddy.
It doesn't want to.
He doesn't want you. I have to pull
They're
him
clean.
off.
They're cleaned. They have clingy legs, I think.
Yeah, so you have to do it.
So
with
pull
the
it
hand.
off.
Okay, why are you guys bringing that in the house? You don't have to stay outside.
No, we can't leave them outside.
Yeah.
No, then somebody might take them
Nobody's
and
gonna
think it's a
take some work.
free shoebox.
No.
Yeah, and they might get run over.
Yeah, eat pizza. You want pizza?
See, Daddy?
Put them not near the end.
Huh?
Put them back there.
You love them, Sala?
I like them.
Oh,
You like them.
But these
You
aren't
don't love them.
cinnamon.
You just like them a lot, right?
This,
Oh, they're cute.
They're so cute.
Daddy, you want to touch
what
them?
is this version?
I want
What
to
is
touch
this
them.
Sala, you gotta start eating now.
Okay, now at first, I need to wash my hands again.
Okay, hey, Dad gotta go. It's dinner time.
Hey,
Move your little box.